Pretty much. I like Scottish people, but sometimes I do wish more of them still spoke Gaelic. So I had the Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirt. Better excuse for not. The Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. V-neck. Tank top. Even though he was cleared of the Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirt any wrongdoing, the media kept portraying him as a criminal and even continued a fake official the Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Epstein was not a kingpin. He was just a catering service. All of this focus on the Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirt Epstein completely misses the point that as vile and despicable as Epstein was, he was just providing other products.